Psoriasis is fully curable using self-healing functional medicine. Full recovery from psoriasis is achievable using self-healing medicine within 6 to 18 months. Psoriasis patients are treated with a misconception that this is an incurable disease. Therefore, treatment accordingly is only symptomatic and does not attempt to bring about the patient's recovery. The principles of the self-healing method, combining body, mind and spirit altogether, allow the body to rehabilitate the immune system on its own, thereby initiating recovery from any acquired chronic illness, including psoriasis. This video presents an entirely different approach to treatment and recovery from psoriasis that is based on the principles of self-healing functional medicine. Psoriasis significantly impairs the patient's body image and quality of life. Psoriasis is a prevalent autoimmune disease in both men and women. Psoriasis is slightly more common in women than in men. Current estimates are that about 2% to 3% of the world's population suffers from psoriasis. About 125 million people worldwide. Although the disease manifests itself in the skin, in varying degrees of severity, in different locations and forms, it is a long-term immune system disease. Why the current drug therapy cannot bring about a complete recovery from psoriasis. The treatment of psoriasis is mostly symptomatic and divides into external skin lesions and internal treatment designed to relieve inflammation. External treatment may include tar, salicylic acid, vitamin D derivatives, phototherapy. Internal therapy may consist of steroids or beta blockers. Psoriasis treatment is also used with biological and non-biological systemic drugs. Recovery occurs only when all the causes of the disease, mental and physical, are resolved and eliminated. Symptomatic treatments usually cannot cure the patient, as they do not eliminate the causes of the disease. Common to all autoimmune diseases. The thymus gland. The thymus gland is of great importance in understanding autoimmune diseases. The maturation of T white blood cells is the one that enables self and no self-recognition. The thymus gland belongs in the energetic dimension to the fourth center, heart chakra, whose driving force is love, relationships and self-acceptance. Psoriasis' fundamental underlying causes are always a dynamic combination of these two primary elements: body, mind, and spirit. Lifestyle versus genetics. An unhealthy lifestyle, mental and physical, is the leading cause of psoriasis. 80% or more. Genetics explains only a small part of the failures. 20% or less. One of the leading causes of psoriasis is traumatic non-resolved mental and spiritual events from the past. Usually subconscious, it can cause poor life force energy flow. Blockages in the flow of life force energy have far-reaching physical and mental effects. The age factor, an unhealthy physical lifestyle versus traumatic non-resolved events from the past. As symptoms onset at a younger age, 30 to 35 years or less, it is more likely that the weight of unresolved mental traumas is higher than the unhealthy lifestyle. The explanation lies in the fact that the process of cell aging and death is cumulative, while unresolved traumatic events have an immediate and cumulative effect. Particularly prominent in autoimmune diseases. Recovery from psoriasis is achievable using self-healing medicine, the main principles in the next slides. These ideas concerning psoriasis should not be regarded as a recommendation for any action or treatment. The holistic approach of self-healing. The location of symptoms does not necessarily reveal the main problem. A single organ or system cannot be cured apart of the rest of the body. The entire body's immune system has to recover as well. The Kübler-Ross model explains the behavior of personal loss. The 5 stages of grief are denial, anger, bargaining, only applicable in life-threatening situations, depression, acceptance. Kübler-Ross's model was later expanded to include any form of personal loss. There is no doubt in my mind that long-term chronic disease, such as psoriasis, has properties of grief and loss. Reaching acceptance as fast as possible is essential for elevating the spirit and gaining the needed energy. The real hope for recovery would give anyone the strength to undertake and endure all the necessary therapies. Mental and spiritual enhancement principles. Love and support of family and friends. Releasing unresolved stressful events from the past. To restore the life force energy flow. Unresolved stressful events are often stored in the subconscious mind. Thus the desired treatment, through licensed trustable hypnotists or acupuncture. Lifestyle changes, with more relaxation and sleep. By strengthening positive emotions and faith. Skin symptomatic recommended treatments during the recovery period. Aloe vera natural ointment for itching relief. Sun-controlled tanning helps heal wounds and also boosts life force energy. All types of sunscreens are not recommended. You can apply a homemade remedy that can help reduce itchiness and absorb toxins from the skin. The preparation consists of 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of cold-pressed coconut oil. After mixing, a soft brown-gray ointment is formed. The cream can be applied to the affected skin. Careful, dirty. Physical body enhancement principles. Nutrition. Eating and drinking a large variety of unprocessed food and beverages helps initiate the body's natural skin rehabilitation process. Regular eating of dietary fiber, along with natural oils and omega-3 fatty acids, fermented foods containing good natural bacteria, is essential. Eating habits, food composition and eating schedules are essential for proper digestion. Avoiding or sharply reducing foods that cause aggravation in inflammation, industrialized and processed foods, dairy, cow, non-natural sugars, trans fats, and more. Physical body enhancement principles. Immune system boost, mechanical detoxification. By unblocking and cleansing the liver and kidneys, exercise to improve blood and lymphatic circulation. Controlled solar baths. Essential for proper physiology and charges the life force energy. Acupuncture can restore the life force energy flow and relieve pain. Uses mainly herbal supplements and antioxidants, as little as possible, to restore the body's balance and deficiencies. Restoring the immune system using the self-healing method, by strengthening the body, mind, and spirit, can initiate the regeneration of the damaged skin tissue. All organs in the body, even the brain, given the proper conditions, can repair damaged tissue, including the skin. The closer the patient's age to the outbreak, the shorter and more accessible the treatment will be, and vice versa. If you seek advice from doctors about self-healing methods, do not expect your doctor's support. Summary. Psoriasis patients are treated with a misconception that this is an incurable disease. Therefore, treatment accordingly is only symptomatic and does not attempt to bring about the patient's recovery. The principles of the self-healing method combining body, mind and spirit altogether, allow the body to rehabilitate the immune system on its own, thereby initiating recovery from psoriasis. Self-healing is like performing miracles. Every human being has this capability. It just needs to be revealed. The full article with detailed explanations is available on the following website, sfhealing.com, Chronic Diseases chapter. Thank you for watching this video.